In this lesson, we're chatting about the immense importance of marketing for your creative business. So, remember back in Module 3, when we chatted about how your community and customers are the lifeblood of your creative business, they are like that root system that is keeping you going, that is making your ecosystem thrive, right? Well, for that to happen, they have to know you exist. So, marketing is the bridge for going from people having no idea who you are or what your business has to offer to them being raving fans and wanting everything you have to offer. Because the thing I see the most, the thing that's often the most common when it comes to starting a creative business, especially in these beginning stages, is that not enough people know that you're out there. Not enough people know what you're doing. And it's really easy when we're starting a creative business and that becomes so much of what we think about, and a lot of our time is devoted to that. It becomes really easy to think that people know what we're doing. We share it once and we think people remember. But the thing is, people need to be reminded over and over and over again what you're doing. People are very focused on their own life. They're very busy. So when we think people know, they probably actually don't. And there can be this hesitation that we feel like we're sharing too much, or we're oversharing, or we're sharing too many times. I honestly believe that you can't share too much about your creative business. The more you share, the better. The more you share, the better. So with marketing, just remember that the main issue, it's not about doing marketing perfectly. It's not about showing up on the right platforms at the exact right minute. It is about sharing consistently and over and over and over again to make sure people know you exist. Because if they don't, then it's a disservice to the world, because you have something to offer that can help them get to where they need to be. And think about it. If that person is out in the world looking for that solution and they can't find it and you're sitting there and you have it and they just don't know it. I mean, that's like, oh man, that's just like so frustrating, right? So we want to make sure that we're marketing so that person says, that is exactly what I've been looking for. I'm in. Let's do this. So I saw an Instagram post recently that said something to the effect of, opportunity can't knock on your door if it doesn't know you're home. So thinking about this as your community who wants to come to your dinner party, who wants to purchase your products, they can't if they don't know you're there. So just make sure that you're sharing over and over again and invite these people into your ecosystem to share the bounty of what you have grown. All right, in the next lesson, we are going to chat about marketing and sales funnels, which I know sounds really biz lingo focused, but we're going to have a fun nature metaphor for it. So join me in the next lesson where we will dig into that. See you there.